Rain stopped and we're here now. It's about 4:30 in the afternoon. There's a lot of people coming in at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so I guess it's good practice for when Horror Nights comes around. Place looking nice and good. Now the icon around the arches needs to change with all the banners for Horror Nights. Also, kind of a little jealous, Universal Hollywood's getting The Weeknd as a house. Kind of wish we were getting it again. It was really good. This time it's going to be the trilogy for The Weeknd, so hopefully next year. And even before we walk in from last year, the speakers are back. So they are slowly getting this place set up for Horror Nights. Can't wait. The platform for whoever's going to be doing the opening ceremonies, the lights are back, the speakers are back up here too as well. Horror Nights is coming, except nothing in this first scare zone. There seems to be, there really seems to be like no props out, no lightings whatsoever. They're also getting ready for the Mega Movie Parade, which I haven't seen yet. Might want to check this out. Nothing yet up for houses, or so we think. We do have now our first little look at one of the food booths, which is going to be Insidious, which kind of pulls my direction. Is Insidious Entrance going to be right there now? We're looking forward to this house. I am excited for this house. So then our next couple of food booths, we have the Twilight Tavern, a Twisted Taters booth. So we have a Final Full-On Twisted Taters booth, and we know where to go to get them at. If there's nothing but Twisted Tater here, I'm going to be very upset, Universal. I think I took a picture of that guy. Then we got a couple, like 2 more down this way. The Ghostbusters Frozen Empire food booth. Then Ivan's New York Deli and Groceries, family owned since 1984 food booth. Kind of get like a sandwich type of place from this. Last time was here, which was right before the tropical storm. This was here, but the bucket's new with the hanging thing, so it is covered up for now, but I think it's going to be just like that. Who knows what they're planning on doing. I am looking forward to the scare zone, but there's really nothing else left in this zone because of the Mega Movie Parade. I think most of the stuff is behind scenes, but it is only August 8th, and I think about like 3 more weeks, and more stuff should start to come out. The food booth will start just right down this area. And again, last time this was here, and if I can recall, there was 2 people just sitting inside of it, shielding stuff in the rain. Looks like there's speakers there now. It's like orange lights decorated down there, red lights actually, so could have another food stand down over there this year. Yes, the stanchions are back. The practice for staying in Scream, and let's point some things out real quick. Whatever they were working on down here, this is now done and completed. So it's good to have this pathway back open. It really is. And I am expecting, we're going to walk to it. I'm going to pause it though. Still doing a little more work, but it looks like they did just touch up on like a lot of paint and everything. But I will expect another food stand to be right here. Last year they had The Last of Us, which was really cool. Expecting a little more this time around. I'm expecting Missing a scare zone here too. Oh well. I really love Fast and Furious. There's nothing happening back there with no certain kind of haunted house whatsoever. Or maybe some Sweet Tooth factory. As we do enter the Blumhouse Scare Zone, I'm so used to calling it the Blumhouse House. Family just takes a sit on it. We do have some general idea of what's going to be here. One being Meg, which was really popular last year. You can actually see a black phone. So the black phone will be here. I don't really see anything too else that would be intentions, but I am going to be looking now. Happy Death Day, Megan. Okay, so there will be something with the Purge in here at least, because the blue flowers do represent the Purge. So we should get something Purge in here. Here's Happy Death Day stuff. I'm expecting maybe a couple other things. I was gonna do a thumbnail, but I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this thumbnail. Pretty cool. Plus more so. Can't wait for opening night now. And I'm not gonna spend the $300 plus the tax to actually get in to the event early. I'd rather wait until opening night. Know what this is going to be, but still no actual signage of showing that this is going to be the Peacock Halloween Horror Bar. We get something new, especially with David Pumpkins. Diagon Alley, we're good. We're not going to check out in there. We've done our updates in here already. But I do see something off to my right. We do have another food booth, which looks like guests are sitting on it. But pretty cool to see that we have another food booth here. I'm expecting maybe one more to go right over here somewhere. Just due to the fact that how busy the event was last year and how demanding it was last year to have extra food booths out. So I'm expecting again this year to have another food booth. Oh yes. It's really cool to see though. Maybe a couple more weeks we should start to see some banners go up around here for the Halloween show. Can't wait. I'm not sure if these lighting trusts are for. Maybe they're gonna have additional signs here now. But this is normally a house entrance. I'm not sure what house it's gonna be, but if it's at 5 minutes, it's just a 5-minute walk. Also, I did had a make the video, an HHN construction update video. My last one I was here, just due to the fact that we were in the middle of getting a hurricane, tropical storm, whatever you guys want to call it. It's bypass distance because there's nothing really here going on for Howl-O-Scream. Sitting right outside the Animal Access on location, and I believe last year they had food booths and drink booths here. I believe there's also tables here as well, but the tables are gone, so it does look like they might be getting ready to start setting up for over here. So that'd be really cool to see. Also does look like new lighting has also been put up as well. Pretty cool to see that, and I'm also expecting to be a house entrance or two over here by DreamWorks Land and E.T.'s Adventure. You got lights just right up there, fully ready to go. We should get food booths out here as well, but I don't know for how they do things now, so it might be different. And I'm wondering if the DreamWorks and Magic Cafe is gonna have pizza fries. I am curious to know. Through. I'm trying to see if there's rain coming as well. As we do enter the swamp, Making sure that I am recording this time around because last time I was here I didn't get a chance to record. I forgot to do it. And more stuff has been added overnight. I don't know why they have this alligator covered up as well. 2 alligators covered up. I really hope that they can scare. That'd be funny as anything. I'm also curious to know if Shrek's gonna be in the scare zone. Looks like an airboat now and covered up by plants. I love it how new things are always getting added. And I'm gonna take the wild guess that this scare zone is basically done. I don't really see anything else that could possibly go inside this scare zone. I really don't. It looks like it's functional and ready to go. In the streets of Hollywood, it's just lights, lighting tower with speakers on it, and that's basically it. And it's just due to the fact of the Mega Movie Parade. I would like to walk inside the tribute store to see if I could see anything somewhat new in here. See if there's any updates or any Easter eggs for the tribute store for Halloween Horror Nights outside of the tape, Mr. Tape here, who was seen in a little bit of a teaser for Slaughter Cinema 2 that was shown by Universal. Oh my. I think we still got time before this parade starts. Anything here? Yep, just Mega Movie Parade and great movie rat stuff. Nothing new for Halloween Horror Nights. But I'm going to walk inside because normally that's where the Easter eggs go. She's actually testing the wings as well. Here's your horror collection. I don't remember this Bride of Frankenstein being here. Oh, here's the comedy side. So. That's just from a couple years ago. And it says a new game coming soon with the dueling dragons right there. Don't think there's really nothing too new in here. Nor no Easter egg. Talking about for the next Halloween Horror Nights. There's Ghostbusters. Five and Dine real quick. From last time I was here, a lot of the little Boo plushies did sell. A lot of these get moved around, especially the hearse. Oh wow. Chucky, who's not going to be at Horror Nights this year. Dracula. Horror lives here. Somebody's getting a house the second time around. Who should have a haunted house. Still plenty of Insidious shirts. Going up to 3XL, so they're fully stocked on that. Are you secretly the icon for this year? Are you secretly the icon for this year and not 35? Or is he the icon? Chuck, are you the icon? Or is it me, Michael Myers, is the icon? I'm just curious to know. And that explains why there's no props out in K-Zone yet, nor up front.